There's a way of turning junk into brilliant works of art. And Emily and Charlie have been very creative here and turned these plastic bottles into birds. I really like the way they've curled strips of paper around a pencil to make feathers. Yeah, great models from Emily and Charlie, making birds out of old plastic bottles. And that's one of the things I love about art attacking, making pictures out of any old junk or rubbish, whether it's a landscape out of garden leaves and twigs, patterns out of scrap paper, or even portraits out of household rubbish. Now there's a thing. Next time you're about to throw something away, have a good look at it and see if it's got any interesting shape or texture, and just start a collection. You could have a look around the house for old buttons, run-out pens, broken pegs, anything at all really. And once you've got a collection, here's what to do. Take some card and start to arrange your junk so that it looks like a kind of face. Use things that you wouldn't normally think could be used to make the features. How about this spoon for an eye? Or maybe an old hair curler for a tongue. This piece of egg box would make a good nose. And how about these big bits of egg box for ears? And if they're not the right shape, it doesn't matter, because it all adds to the abstract effect. When you're happy with the position of everything, tape or glue them down. Then mix some PVA glue with a little water and paste a layer of kitchen paper all over the face. And the idea is to tuck the paper into all the nooks and crannies. Cover all of those features, and when you've covered the whole thing, leave it to dry and paint it. How about cartoon pink for the face? And maybe some brown for the hair and eyebrows? And let's streak in some lighter shades of brown on his beard. Maybe some darker pink for the mouth. And gradually, this crazy abstract face starts to appear. And when you finish painting the whole thing, there he is. Weird, eh? Look at that. Look at all that 3D rubbish on there. It gives a real bizarre effect, doesn't it? And they come out different every time. Have a look at this one. Look at him. He's really funny. And she is really quite bizarre. Look at her. Again, all that 3D stuff. If you look at the eyes on this one, look at that. It looks as if they're following you around. Weird. And there's another one using completely different rubbish, but giving the same freaky effect. A real rubbish portrait. Get it? A rubbish portrait. Try it yourself, and don't forget you can check out the website for this and all the other art attacks in the show. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!